Hi everyone, so I'm going to share a quick update with all of you. So I'm pretty sure all of you were waiting for the CAT edit window to open. Now the CAT form can be edited, so you will be able to log into your dashboard and change some of the details. Now I'm going to take you through the major addition that has happened this year, unlike the previous years of CAT, wherein you could only edit your photograph, signature, and the test city preference. So there's one change that has happened and all of you should be aware of it. Now, the tabs that you see once you log into your CAT form are personal details, academics, workex, programs, and test city preferences. Now, in personal details, you will be able to modify your photograph and signature. So you can upload a new file if there were any issues with the photograph or the signature that you had uploaded. When it comes to academics and work experience section, however, there is no change that can be done. So no changes allowed. But on the program side, there's a major addition that has happened, which is IIM Guwahati. Now, what you will not be able to do is modify any of the past preferences that you had entered. So when you fill the CAT form, let's say you selected 6 IIMs at that point of time, you will not be able to add more of the IIMs which were already there in the form. However, at the bottom of the page, you will be able to see IIM Guwahati PGP. Now for this, there is no interview city preference that can be selected because it says to be determined. So you will not see cities, but you will see only one option in the dropdown, which is to be determined. But I would strongly suggest that all of you enter IIM Guwahati as well. Whether you want to join it at a later point of time or not, that's a question that you can answer later. You don't have to take that call today, but all of you can benefit from this because you will be able to create one more opportunity for yourself. So make sure that you select IIM Guwahati PGP and then select the interview city preference, which is going to be determined. Once you're done with this, you can go to test city preferences that can also be modified. So from the 5 city preferences that you had put, you can modify the order in which you had put the preferences, or you can add, let's say, any other city that you want to change. So the major addition definitely is the IIM Guwahati PGP. Of course, we knew that it was going to start, but then it was not there in the earlier CAT form. So the version that they had when all of you filled the form, there was no IIM Guwahati PGP mentioned, but now you can actually select that. As I mentioned, you cannot modify the existing IIM preferences that you had put or the interview city preferences that you have put, that you will not be able to modify. But make sure that you add IIM Guwahati PGP, select that, select to be determined, and then you move forward. Now, of course, you cannot make the changes just like that. You'll also have to sign a declaration. So once you make these changes and click on next, you will have to click on this declaration. Under declaration, you will be able to see what you have modified. So for example, interview city preference one that you see there is because I added IIM Guwahati PGP to my form. So it will show new value to be determined. At the same time, I modified a test city preference. I modified my city 5 from a particular city to another city, and that is something that I'll be able to see. So I need to click there, which is I hereby declare that all the above details are correct and I wish to update them in my application form. Click on that the last button, which is that I have previewed my form and now I want to submit it. Then you enter the captcha and complete the update. So whatever you edit, you will have to do the declaration as well. So don't think that just because you modified something, you click on save and next, and then you exited, does not mean that you have submitted that. So make sure that you do the declaration as well and finish off the whole process. Now, how much time do you have to do this? So if you look at there were various updates which were there on the IIM website when students were trying to log in. So there it showed that it is going to be there till 7th October and till 5 p.m. But I would not recommend you to wait because on the website right now you don't see any particular deadline that is mentioned. If it is somewhere, somebody can point us to that, but at least we could not find it. So don't wait for the last moment. Don't wait for 7th October 5 p.m. to modify your details. If there's anything that you want to change from your photograph, signature, and the test city preferences, you should definitely change that. And of course, this new addition, which is IIM Guwahati, please benefit from this new addition that has happened. So whether you are going to join it or not at a later point of time, that's immaterial. Make sure that you log into the form right now, select IIM Guwahati PGP as an additional preference, and then update. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching. Wish all of you all the best. If you have any questions, queries regarding CAT, let us know. Happy to help in whatever way possible. So thank you so much. Wish all of you all the best and bye.